Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with the essentials: an active Openweathermap account and a clear purpose for the API key. Sign in, then choose the specific product you need: current weather, one call, forecast, or historical, because each has different endpoints and limits. Once chosen, name your application and write a concise usage description. This clarifies quota needs and prevents later rate surprises. You'll also pick units and default language preferences now, so requests use the right parameters consistently. Now you locate the API keys area in your dashboard and create a new key. Label it clearly, project name and environment, so you can rotate keys safely later. Configure optional restrictions. Allow only specific referrer domains or server IPs to reduce misuse. Make note of rate limits and plan for caching. Too many live calls will hit quotas quickly. Finally, pick the default units and language, so your first calls return predictable fields you can parse without finish by testing. Craft a simple GET request with the key and inspect the HTTP status and JSON fields to confirm structure. Integrate the key into your app securely. Use environment variables or a secret store, and add caching plus exponential backoff for 429 or 5xx responses to avoid outages. Monitor usage and billing continuously, and rotate keys periodically. If you see authentication errors, verify key activation, allowed referrers, and that you're using the correct endpoint and parameter names.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.